We got a great unboxing for you today. We're looking at the Kensington MK7500F QuietType Pro Silent mechanical keyboard. This is a wireless keyboard. It's got a big name, but it's got a lot of great features because you get the best of both worlds. A mechanical keyboard that is quiet, and that was always the issue with mechanical keyboards. It was so noisy, but this is a professional grade keyboard for home or office use, and we're going to be unboxing it right now. So let's have a look. So just to verify, this is the Kali Midnight Pro. It's got silent tactile switch. I'm not sure what that means, but nevertheless, let's check this out. That's what it looks like when you get it. You get a little bit of information. Please scan the QR code to navigate to access detailed walkthroughs. Oh, very nice. Interesting. They give you everything you need to know. I love that. Just from a QR code that you can scan. Here's a wrist pad. Oh, this is nice. Rubbery. Let me take this out. It's already feeling very, very nice. People get a lot of, we spend so much time on our desks. You want to make sure you take care of your wrists. Looks like this has some stickiness to it. Yeah. So it'll stay secure on your desk. Let's look at the keyboard itself. Wrapped in this plastic. Look, it's got a little cover too. Interesting. Oh, that's a nice silicone cover. Well, that's nice. You could actually keep this on top of it when you're not in use and protect it from dust and debris. That is made. I've never seen that before. Very cool. Wow, look at this. This, you can just tell from feeling it that this got premium build quality to it. Oh, nice tactile feel to the buttons. All those keys. Oh, it feels great. I love the size of it. It's got Windows button. This premium, oh, and it has the ability to switch, looks like, to different devices. Also has buttons up on the top corner for video conferencing, turning your mic on and off. Amazing. Let's see the back, what it looks like. So you can angle it. Loving this. This is great. So this is just the unboxing of this. Let's look at what kind of cables we get as well, just to make sure you know everything you're getting with this keyboard. So it's a USB-A to USB-C, and that will charge it, of course, but it is a wireless keyboard. The port, I can see it right now, is on the back left corner. This is premium. This keyboard means business. I'm loving it. So this concludes the unboxing portion of this keyboard. I love this. Is awesome. Be sure to watch as I do a full makeover as part of a back to school series. You know, you're going to go back to school. You want to get a good home setup because you're going to be doing a lot of homework and research from your home office. So I'm going to do a makeover of my home office to show you exactly what you can do with products from Kensington. We're going to do it with both this keyboard and some mounts for monitors to try to create extra space on my desk. So you want to stay tuned to watch that video. But this pretty much concludes the unboxing of this mechanical QuietType keyboard from Kensington, the MK7500F. Be sure to watch the other video where I put this on my own desk as part of that makeover series. Handy Andy Baryer signing out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of Kensington as a brand, because I'm pretty much all of my office products are Kensington now. So I'd love to know if you use them and what you think of their products. Handy Andy signing out.